All right, hello everyone. Let's take a look at the market today. So let's start off with gold. It's Tuesday today. I've posted the Astro Hours onto the website in the members area, so you can check them out there. Now, today, as you can see, we've got a breakout on gold. So a pull back into 56. Like I said, yesterday's 2034 is here, and then we can push it up, okay? Yesterday, as you can see, the market was on holiday and the market was in no man's land. It's just like sideways and nothing really happened. So nothing really to look at. Where can you trade? Down here is not a bad idea. If I take this into a 1 hour chart just to check the weekly levels too. All right, so I noted those down as well. So down here is important, okay? This 2044 is important here, okay? This was a range we talked about yesterday, and this zone is also, okay, so if the market goes up into this zone, it could also sell off. All right, so those are the levels that we need to be taking care of. And this obviously, like I said, is a good level to get into the game. If the market comes down here, that's fine. On the daily, let's take a look. This is where we're at. So 59 is 2057. 2057 is just up here. 2057 is there. Okay, so if we head up into here, this is going to be a sell zone. I'm just going to get rid of that. This was from yesterday. All right, as you can see, that's yesterday. 2057 is there. So selling the highs is not a bad idea at all. If we come down, we should go up. Okay, if we are down at the closing, all right, if we're down somewhere in the closing, which we could be, then the market can reverse. Also, if we're down at 8 o'clock, 10 past 8, if we find ourselves somewhere low at 10 past 8 in the evening, my time, obviously, right, then we could also find a reversal there. So today's a bit tricky, all right, because we can get into a place and then get out of a place, and those levels could be pretty good to trade off. So it's a good day to trade, okay, but there are a few things to be careful about, like I said. So if we're down here, if you want to go up, you can. This will be your cover zone, and that's your target zone, okay? And then if we're up here somewhere, we can come down into the evening, like I said, till 10 past 8. And then if we turn around there, then the market should push until closing. If it doesn't turn around, it'll keep pushing until at least 10:45 to 11:15, even until closing. Okay, so if it finds a direction, if it keeps going, then you know what's going on. All right, how long it will go. Let's take a look at SP 500. So this is the daily. I told you this zone's a sell zone, so we don't want to be, really buying anything up here. As you know, on the daily, yesterday, this is what it looked like. As you can see, not a lot happening. That was a level the market already did that in the morning in the Asia session, and it just kept going down. I didn't put the hours here, but you can slap them on. What we'd like to do is, if we get back up into 63, 64, 4777, 4784, 4784, 4777 here. So this zone is going to be a sell zone. If we get up there again, I think it's worth selling off here. All right. So if we retest the daily pivot, the opening at an Astro hour or slightly higher, it's okay to be selling it off. So I wouldn't mind doing that, okay, at an Astro hour. And then that would be kind of like shifting it down. Now on the weekly, we're in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. But according to the daily, we can kind of take this and push it down into 46 to 48. And that's going to be between 4,717 and 29. All right. So this will be your target zone down here. All right. Into that zone. Euro dollar. This is the weekly. That's nice to see. Nice to see. On the daily, nice to see. Yesterday I also said, last week also I said this is an impulse wave. This is a pennant. We want to sell it down. So if you're selling it down, well done. You should come down to 39.40 at least, which is 08.96. 08.96. 08.82 is down there. So we should find ourselves down here. All right. So if we go up into Astro Hours, and this was a level yesterday, as you can see, we've done that. I think this was from yesterday or the week before. I'm not sure. All right. But if we go back up, this is the place where you want to be selling on the daily and the weekly, or worst case scenario, slightly up there. All right. This is good to see on the euro dollar if you're trading the euro dollar. If you're using your ATM, go to the 1 hour chart. You'll also see the weekly levels up here as well. Okay. And then that will be kind of like helping you out. So this is a good selling level. This is a good sell level, as you can see, to push it down into these zones. Let's take a look at Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and Bitcoin. Dow Jones''dayız. Bakalım şimdi ne var, ne yok.